Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my first video about Cake PHP. And in this video we're going to install and configure the Cake PHP to connect to PostgreSQL. So there are several items that you need to provide. The first one is you need to install the PHP. In this video I have installed the PHP 7. So when I type PHP -v, I'm gonna get my PHP version 7.2.4. And the second one that you need to provide is you need to install Composer. So just go to Composer official page. You can download it here. Just download this one, and then after you download and install it, then you can do something like Composer -v, and you're gonna get your Composer version and several command that available for Composer. And then that's the second one. The third one is you need to install the PostgreSQL in Windows. I have installed that. I have a video for installing PostgreSQL on Windows 10, so you can follow the steps. Okay, I think that's three items that you need to provide. And then let's jump to Cake PHP. In order to install the Cake PHP, just have to use Composer, create project, prefer this means prefer distribution, and then Cake PHP /app, and then your directory name. In this video I'm gonna use Cake PHP YouTube, something like that, and then just hit enter. Just wait for several minutes. It depends on your speed connection. After it finish, you will be asked to set the folder permission. For example, default to it, and then just type Y and then hit enter. Then your installation is finished. Okay, after downloading the Cake PHP, next thing you have to do, you have to go to its directory. So cd Cake PHP YouTube, and then in this directory we can run the server of the Cake PHP. So just type bin /cake and then server. We can see that our Cake PHP is already running on localhost port 8765. So just open this one, paste it here, we can see our welcome page of Cake PHP, and we can see here my current PHP version. It's 7.2.4, and right now I haven't connected to any database, so database is not able to connect. Okay, so the next thing we are gonna do is connecting this page, this Cake PHP to PostgreSQL. So just run your pgadmin. Oh, before opening this, we need to set something in our php.ini. So we need to enable this extension pdo_pgsql, and this one pgsql. We need to enable this in order to use PostgreSQL. So next thing we're gonna do is just open configuration app.php, and then we change this one to Postgres, and the username is Postgres database. The password is your own password. For me it's admin 098, and database I haven't created any database, so I'm gonna create one first. So just right click here, create database, and then cake php YouTube DB, something like this. Just hit save. You can see here the owner is Postgres. So when we want to connect to it, we need to use that Postgres username. Okay, so this is our database, cake php YouTube DB. So just put it here and then save, and then we can go back to our cake php application and then refresh. Right now it's still not connected to a database, but if I refresh, then takes a while. If I refresh it, then the message is cake php is able to connect to database. So it means that our cake php application is already connected to our cake php YouTube DB. So it means that we have accomplished our mission in this video. But I just want to show you something. For example, if you want to change the local host name or the port number, we can do something like this. So bin cake server. If you want to change the port number to something else, then just type -p and then our port number, for example 1234, something like that, and then hit enter. And then our cake php is run on port 1234, so we can change this port to 1234, and then it should display the same page. And then if you want to change the host name, we can do it like this: bin /cake server -h, for example 17.3.3.3, and then the port number is 3333, something like that. So we can open this one. Yep, it displays the same page. So I think that's the way that we can use to install and configure cake php in our local development, specifically in Windows. So if you have any question, please leave a comment, and okay, see you in the next video.